Good morning, beautiful butterflies. I'm gonna turn on the light. I'm at work. I could light up the Christmas tree, but okay, we'll wait for that. I did want to come in briefly this morning to introduce you to Woosh Beauty. This is something that I bought for myself, and it really is amazing. It has several components, which I'm gathering here. And let me just say it starts with the fold out face. So this is the box that it comes in. It's a little bit of a grid to describe things. And then when you open it up and let it out, there is a guide to show you how to use it. And this is the product, Woosh Beauty. Isn't that lovely? And it opens like this. And you have a mirror there. And you have concealers and perfectors, bronzer and contour. I don't know what all this is. Okay. These are the perfectors. These are eyeshadows.
Hey Monique, how you doing?
Good morning, David. This is a contour. These are blushes. And these are blenders. Okay, so as we get to using this, we'll see how it all works. But it also came with, is it 8 o'clock yet? Nope, I'm still early. It also came with these brushes. These are amazing. I mean, I don't want to take the plastic off because I'm not at home and I'm not getting ready to use them. And sorry about any blinding effects, but these brushes came with it. It also came with, in the same box, it also came with another little brush, like this. And it's a 4-in-1, according to the plastic. Okay. So you have this with this on the end. And then, let me see, this has to come out too. Okay. And then this fits on the end. Did you see that? This and this, and then this fits on the end of it. So it's perfect for travel. And then the whole shebang came with this. So essentially, it's a nice velvet inside. Essentially, I can put this in this little pouch up here. And then put this in this little pouch down here, like that. And then all of these brushes snap into here. Theoretically. Isn't that nice? And then you zip this up. Let me see. You zip this up and travel with it. Whoosh! I will do a full video and apply it. That's a little intimidating, but I'm down. I'm down to try. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell. This is Vlogmas 2022, day 20. Peace.